welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Welcome back. So today we're going to do a review on Makartt Green Nail Extension Polygel Kit. And I know I'm a little late on the wave, but y'all, I finally got my hands on it and I'm super excited. So this kit comes with your standard 100-180 file. It comes with a dual-ended brush with the spatula and the other side with your brush. And these brushes are really good. Like, I literally went ham on my first Makartt brush. And it's still in pretty good condition. So base coat, and I'm in love with the green packaging. Like, I think it's so cute. It also comes with a top coat, and then it comes with 15 milliliters worth of polygel, your nail surface cleansers, and it comes with clear, a light green, a darker green, and a darker green. So the darkest is 894, the second darkest is 893, the first green is 892, and then we just have a standard clear. And y'all know clear is pretty darn clear. Like, everyone loves Makartt's clear. Then it comes with your standard dual forms, but not using those today. So clear is obviously so clear. I love Makartt's clear. Makartt was actually one of my first polygel kits that I've ever gotten, and I learned so much with my first kit, so I'm really excited to finally be reviewing another Makartt kit. So this one's $8.93, and then I, for some reason, didn't film $8.94, but here it is right here. It's such a pretty minty blue. I love the color scheme, so I can't wait till y'all see what we come up with. So I already prepped my nails, and I'm just going in with a base coat, and I'm curing that for 60 seconds. Alright, so I'm going in with 893, and this is the second darkest green, and I am just putting a nice bead on my cuticle area, and I'm just slowly dragging this up. Now, if I were to compare this consistency with my first Makartt Polygel kit, I would say, wow. Like I said, I'm a little late with the Makartt wave, but this consistency compared to my first ever nude kit that I got, this consistency is an upgrade. So I'm really excited to try their new 5 kits that came out. I'm gonna try the one with like the blues and the purples, so definitely stay tuned for that video. I'm practicing some negative space on this nail in particular, so I am pretty much just putting some color on where the cuticle area is, and then I'm putting my glitter in the negative space, and then I'll put another color on the top. Now, my glitter wasn't sticking because, silly me, I didn't put polygel on the bottom, so I eventually end up just putting that clear polygel. That way my glitter can stick better. Make sure that when you are doing negative space, like, you want to clear cap everything. That way your nail is completely even, and when you're filing, you just don't want to mess that up. super appreciative of all of your love and support. I honestly love reading all your comments, so let's take advantage of the comment section and comment down below where you're from. Tell me something about yourself. What is your favorite thing to do? I want to get to know y'all and really connect with y'all because I love responding to all of your comments, so comment down below. So for this nail, I'm doing kind of like a French look, and I really love this color combo. This darkest green, I think it's 894, is so pretty. It definitely has like that minty vibe. I'm definitely going to do something else with this color alone because this color is just so beautiful. It's not a color that you see in a lot of kits, so I was just in love with that color. I'm using clear as my base for this nail, and I'm going to encapsulate some leaves, some glitter, because you know Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I want this nail to be a little bit festive, so I definitely took advantage of this season. I took these like kind of iridescent looking leaves. They're super cute. They're transparent, but they have like that hollow type, you know, like it kind of like shines. So I wanted to put those on my nails along with some glitter, and it came out so cute. I'll definitely link everything that I used down below. my ring finger, I am practicing negative space again, and I am just getting better at this technique. I honestly was having such a hard time with it, but you really do get the hang of it. So I'm putting my second darkest green and my lightest green on my nail on the top and bottom, and I'm just kind of doing it at the same time just because I wanted to make sure that that negative space was right in the middle. And then I go in with my glitter and I basically just encapsulate all of that. After you're finished with application, you want to just make sure that you're curing your nails for another 60 seconds just so all of your nails are nice and even and cured. And then I'm just cleansing my nails with a little bit of rubbing alcohol or some nail surface cleanser, whatever you have at hand. And I filed my nails and they came out like this. So I am just cleansing once again, just to make sure that when you put a top coat, it doesn't look all crusty. So just do that process. And then I'm just going in with my Krowned Krystals. Y'all know I've been raving about this company. Support your Black-owned small businesses. And it's so affordable, y'all. Like I said last time, I got this kit with all these gems for $35, and I still have a bunch of gems and rhinestones for this kit. So I'm super excited that I invested in that because one, I'm supporting, and two, they're really good quality. So I'm going in with some gem work, and then I'm going in with some smaller rhinestones and some caviar beads, and I hope y'all enjoy. After I put a top coat on all of my nails, this is how my nails look. Oh my goodness, I really loved this kit, y'all. I'm not even like just exaggerating, like I really love it. The consistency was amazing, check. The colors were beautiful, check. And I took advantage of the Amazon Prime Day today, so I bought it on that day, but it's so pretty. And I will link everything that I used down below, and I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. It was super easy, very fun to do, honestly. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, hey, what's up? If you want to become a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Give it a big thumbs up if you love this kit. And y'all, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and support. I try to post at least 2 to 3 videos every week. So, as always, nos vemos en la próxima.